Wait lang, huwag ka muna mag-scroll at mag-drills muna tayo ng konti about kay Dr. Jose Rizal. Okay? Kapag tinanong sa board exam, complete name. Ano yung complete name ni Dr. Jose Rizal? Ang sagot doon is Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado Alonso y Realonda. Okay, uulitin ko. Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado Alonso y Realonda. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, the gifted physician novelist of the propaganda. Okay? The gifted physician novelist of the propaganda, walang ibang sagot kundi si Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal pa rin. Next, kapag naman tinanong sa board exam, known as Dimasalang and Laon-Laan. Okay? Known as Dimasalang and Laon-Laan, walang ibang sagot kundi si Jose Rizal pa rin. Okay? Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, the number of languages which Rizal could speak. Okay, the number of languages which Rizal could speak, anong isasagot mo? More or less 22. Okay, yun lang, more or less 22. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, the first poem written by Rizal. Okay, the first poem written by Rizal, anong isasagot mo? Sa aking mga kabata. Okay, next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, first written novel of Rizal, first written novel of Rizal, anong isasagot mo? Noli Me Tangere. Okay? Noli Me Tangere. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, place where the novel Noli Me Tangere was published. Okay? Place where the novel Noli Me Tangere was published, anong isasagot mo? Berlin. Okay? Sa Berlin. Kung tinatanong, anong taon? 1887. Next, kapag tinanong naman sa board exam, city where the novel El Filibusterismo was published, okay? El Filibusterismo, anong isasagot mo? Gent, okay? City yan ha, city, Gent. Kapag tinanong sa board exam, anong taon? 1891. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, the Spanish priest would denounce Dr. Rizal's novels as enemies of the Catholic religion. Anong isasagot mo? Father Jose Rodriguez. Okay? Father Jose Rodriguez. Father Jose Rodriguez. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, a supporter of the propaganda movement and Rizal's best friend. Okay? Supporter of the propaganda movement and Rizal's best friend. Anong isasagot mo? Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt. Okay? Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, the best poem ever written by Dr. Jose Rizal, ano yung best poem ever written niya? Walang iba kundi yung Mi Ultimo Adios. Okay? Mi Ultimo Adios, ang huling paalam. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, the book written by Rizal in defense of alleged laziness of the Filipinos, okay? Anong isasagot mo? La indolencia de los Filipinos, okay? La indolencia de los Filipinos. Okay. In English, the indolence of Filipinos. Next, pen name used by Rizal in his writings in La Solidaridad. Ano yung pen name na ginamit niya? Okay. Ang sagot mo lang is walang iba kundi Laon Laan, no? Yan yung pen name na ginamit niya. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, the Spanish governor who signed the death sentence of Jose Rizal. Okay, the Spanish governor who signed the death sentence of Jose Rizal. Anong isasagot mo? General Camilo Garcia de Polavieja, no? Or posible Polavieja, yun lang. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, a translation of Rizal's farewell poem written by Andres Bonifacio in Tagalog. Okay? Translation of Rizal's farewell poem written by Andres Bonifacio in Tagalog. Anong sasagot mo? Pahimakas. Okay? Pahimakas. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, date of founding of the fortnightly newspaper La Solidaridad. Okay? Date of founding of the fortnightly newspaper La Solidaridad. Anong isasagot mo? February 15, 1889. Okay? February 15, 1889. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, date of last issue Okay? Date of last issue ceased publication of La Solidaridad. Anong isasagot mo? November 15, 1895. Okay? Next. Kapag tinanong ka sa board exam, the first Spanish friar to attack Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. Okay? The first Spanish friar to attack Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. Anong isasagot mo? Fray Jose Rodriguez. Okay? Jose Rodriguez. Next. Kapag tinanong sa board exam, place where Jose Rizal conceived the idea of establishing La Liga Filipina, a civic association composed of Filipinos. Okay. Saang place daw yun, no? Saan that time si Rizal? Nasaan siya? Sa Hong Kong. Okay? Sa Hong Kong. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, help Jose Rizal in preparing the Constitution of La Liga Filipina. Yung tumulong kay Rizal, no? Help Jose Rizal in preparing the Constitution of La Liga Filipina. Anong isasagot mo? Jose Maria Basa. Okay? Jose Maria Basa. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, date when Rizal was exiled in Dapitan. Okay? July 14, 1892. Next, kapag tinanong sa board exam, Jose Rizal dedicated his famous poem A la Juventud Filipina or to the Filipino youth. Kanino daw yun? Jose Rizal dedicated his famous poem A la Juventud Filipina to the Filipino youth. Kanino? Anong sasagot mo? The liberal-minded students at the UST. Okay? The liberal-minded students at the UST. Okay, yun lang. Thank you for listening and share this video to help other future LPTs reach their dreams. Okay? God bless.